If you're looking for a way to attach a lanyard to your DJI RCN1, 2, or 3, then you're in the right place. Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this lanyard with clip. For transparency, I bought everything you'll see in this video with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. So I'm going to bring you guys in, give you guys a closer look at this clip, and show you how it attaches. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so what I have here is the DJI Neo Fly More combo. It's a fun little drone to fly. You know, you can fly these things autonomously with the cell phone, with the controller, with the phone, with a RC2 controller, as well as with the Goggles 3 and Motion Controller 3 and RC3 as an FPV drone. Super fun drone to fly. It's a great entry point into the hobby. So the problem with these controllers is they don't have a lanyard attachment point, and that's what these here clips are for. So this here, super simple. It's a little clip here with the lanyard hole. They give you a lanyard. Attaching it is super easy. Simply cock it on, goes on there. That's on there. The lanyard strap is super well built. That buckle right there is thick, as you can see, so you can rest assured that you're not going to break that while you have this here hung around your neck. It does not impair your ability to mount up your phone, and just a great way to add a lanyard to this style controller. So there you have it, guys. Hope this helps.